Welcome. If you want to find inspiration fast, searching on Pinterest couldn't be easier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to search on Pinterest quickly and easily with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you're ready to go. At the top of your home screen, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your gateway to discovering endless ideas, from recipes and DIY projects to fashion tips and travel destinations. Now, type in the keywords or ideas you're interested in. For example, you might enter summer outfit ideas, easy dinner recipes, or living room decor. As you type, Pinterest will automatically suggest related keywords and categories. These suggestions help you narrow down your search and find exactly what you're looking for, even if you start with a broad idea. Once you've typed your keywords, simply tap the search button or hit Enter. Instantly, you'll see a feed of results filled with pins, boards, and even accounts related to your search. If you want to refine your results further, look for additional keyword suggestions or categories right below the search bar. Tapping these can help you zero in on the perfect idea. Now, it's time to browse. Scroll through the results and tap on anything that catches your eye. Each pin opens up to show more details, and you can save your favorites to your own boards for later inspiration. That's it. With just a few taps, you can search Pinterest quickly and easily, discovering new ideas in seconds. Whether you're planning a project or just looking for a little inspiration, Pinterest's search tools make it simple to find exactly what you need. Give these steps a try the next time you open Pinterest, and watch how fast you find your next great idea. Happy searching!